channel. It's me again, Jacqui. How are you all today, guys? I hope you are all feeling great and awesome. So I finally received this month's BoxyCharm. Again, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription wherein you're paying $21 per month and you're receiving a full size of beauty products, skincare products with the price of more than what you're paying for. And the theme for this month is getaway. So it's vacation month. It's already summer, guys. All are just spending their time with their family and having their vacation, fun vacation, summertime. So I got here this products and I've already put it in my face. Like I've already tested the products inside. So I'm just gonna go run down everything that I've got for this month. So first that I have here is this one. So BoxyCharm has a different variation for each month. So every charmers got to receive different products wherein some of it might be skincare products or additional with the makeup products or whatever, but it's all variations. So I got a different type or I got different set of products in my BoxyCharm, and I don't know if you guys received the same products. This is the St. Tropez Prep and Maintain Tan Applicator Mitt. So obviously we got here a product which is Self Tan Bronzing Mousse. So it's a natural looking tan. This is a natural looking tan bronzing mousse Self Tan Classic, which is 50 ml. It says here it's a lightweight mousse for an easy to apply, quick drying, streak-free, long-lasting natural golden tan. So I guess I'm not gonna be using this because I'm already tan. I'm an Asian, so I don't need to like apply this on my skin. I guess I might be giving this as a gift or a giveaway, I don't know yet. But yeah, it comes with a mitt, so obviously this is how you apply it. Just you could probably just put it, apply it, and then scrub it or rub it with the mitt. So it says here, for our most iconic, natural and healthy looking tan, the lightweight classic mousse tailors to your individual skin tone for our longest lasting tan in one application. The retail price of this is $24.50. So again, I got the BoxyCharm for just $21 and I received one product which is more than what I've paid for. Next we got here this one. So this is the No Pore Blem Prime Essence Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract Touch and Sol. So it's like a primer. Touch and Sol No Pore Blem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Sol No Pore Blem Prime Essence. Infused with Calendula Officinalis, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Officinalis Flower Extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And the retail price of this is $23. I'm just gonna go and show you guys what it looks like. This is the bottle. And I assume that this is the full size of it. It's actually cute. I love the bottle itself. It has like this plastic cover, plastic lid. You have to twist it for you to be able to open it. It has a tiny tube. The consistency of this is actually watery. I'm gonna show you guys. There you go. As you can see, it's actually dripping out now. So it smells good. I feel like there's an alcohol or somehow like a different smell of it. I don't know what the ingredients of this is, but it's like It's like, it smells like a hand sanitizer for me. And I've applied it on my face a while ago. I've tried it and it's actually nice into my skin. I actually love it because it feels like it blurs my visible pores in a way. But then once you've applied lots of this, I've noticed that it tends to be like sticky, or like it tends to be like oily on my face. But then I love it because it blurs a bit of my pores and it smells so good, guys. So yeah, it's actually a nice primer. Yay! Else do we have here? So next is this one. This is my favorite of all the products that I've gotten because I'm really a fan of palettes. So I got lots of palettes here. This is one of my additional palettes. I got lots of palettes already, but I love collecting palettes, so I love this month's box. So this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Tarte palette. So pretty. I love the cover. It's like a beach palm leaves or beach leaves. What do you call that? I don't know. So it's actually so pretty, guys. And at the back of it are the shades, the name of the shades. If you could actually see it. I don't know if you could actually see it, guys, but then this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty, it's so handy. You could just put it in your purse, bring it anywhere, and it actually creates a smoky or a natural neutral eye makeup look, which I've created on my eyes. So as you can see, guys, it's very pretty. I love neutrals. It's just an everyday makeup look for me. So everyday go-to, I mean. I don't like put everyday makeup when I'm like inside a fireplace or when I'm not going out. So it's like an everyday go-to makeup. So it's just neutral colors. I love Tarte palettes so much. They smell so good. I don't know the smell of it, but it smells like chocolate or like chocolate cupcake, or more of like chocolate. So it's so good. It's like I wanted to taste it, you know what I mean? So I love the colors, I love the shades, especially the glittery, the shimmery ones. I've tried it, so I put this one on my eyes as my transition shade. This is, I believe this is Explorer. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna say the names anymore. So I just put this one as my transition shade, and then on my crease, I've added this darker shade. And then also on my outer V corner, I just sprayed a little of my setting spray just to darken the shade of it, and then add this one on my outer corner. And then I've tried this as well, the Bronzy Shimmery Bronze on my lid, my center lid, as well as this on my lid as well. I added a bit. And then what else? Actually, I put this one first. So it's like a base for me. It's like a cream or cream shade. I put that one first, and then the transition shade. And then after that, in my inner corner, I've put this glittery, shimmery, light shade. It's so pretty. I've almost used every shades of it, but then I haven't tried this pinkish, this light pink one. So I might try it on my other makeup tutorials. So I love this palette. So yeah, it says here, packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte, your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly, thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. So cute. The retail price of this is $36. So it's very affordable, guys. It's very affordable and very worth it. I don't know if the retail price of that is the same with the Tarte website. I'm not sure, I haven't checked it yet. But then thank you BoxyCharm for giving this away. I love BoxyCharm when they're like giving away palettes. I remember I was so happy when I received their April, May, yeah, April month's BoxyCharm, and they gave me the Pure Festival palette. Oh my god, I'm so in love with that. Yeah. And then next I got here some lip products. First is this one. This is the Dirty Little Secret. I love the name, it's so cute. With the shade Rosy Posy. And this is a lip liner. I've used it on the line of my lips. And this is actually just a light, like peach light shade. It's not very intense, it's not very pigmented, but I'm just gonna warm it to you guys and I'll show you what the shade looks like. It looks like a pinkish, pinky color or pinkish shade. Looks like that. Very pretty as well. It says here smooth and creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. That's why my lips are pouty. So the retail price of this is $15. Worth it. So yeah. And last but not the least, we have here Dominic Cosmetics. Yay! The packaging itself, it's so cute. It's so pretty and it's so classy. DC, like Dominic Cosmetics. So the shade of this is Peach Tea, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, guys. See? So I'm not really a fan of lip glosses. I don't usually use lip gloss, but then I love this lip gloss. It's not very sticky on my lips because usually when I the reason why I don't put some lip gloss in my lips is that sometimes when I do, because I do have like a long hair, right? So sometimes when I go out, it's just that when my hair blows in and I don't know, it just sticks on my, sometimes it's stick on my lips because it's sticky. But this lip gloss, I love it. It's not that sticky, but then it's, as you can see, guys, it's somehow glossy in a way. Shh. The cat, oh my god, my cat is meow meow. I don't know what she wants though, she's in heat. So yeah, this is Peach Tea and I love the packaging itself. It's plastic but then it's very cute, the color itself. This is what it looks like inside, the applicator itself and the shade. There you go. And I love the smell. It smells like, how can I say it? Like vanilla extract or like vanilla ice cream. Like vanilla cupcake. I can't explain it, but it smells really good. So I've applied it a while ago and yes, what I'm saying, it's not actually that sticky and it like absorbs quickly and it like glides right away on your lips. And I love the shade. It's just natural color or pinkish color. I'm gonna show you guys. I can't actually explain it, but when you like apply it, it has color, but when you continuously blends it, the color of it like fades or absorbs on your lips, wherein it's just a light one. Dominic Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominic Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick like what I've done. So I've just put the Anastasia Beverly Hills nude lipstick and then I just layered it down with this lip gloss, which I love. It just added some sheer shimmer on my lips, which I love the most. So those are the products that I received for this month's June's BoxyCharm, and I love this BoxyCharm because again they have a palette. So again guys, if you wanted to try BoxyCharm subscription box, I could recommend, highly recommend it. Very worth it. You're just gonna pay $21 if you're in the US. You don't need to pay any shipping fee, but in my case I have to pay like $5 for shipping, but then it's all worth it. You just you're gonna receive like 4 to 5 products, full-size products, makeup products, skincare products, and you're just paying $21 for that. And on top of it, you're like receiving more than what you're paying for. So just go and visit BoxyCharm website and go log in or sign up, and then continue with your profile and all those stuff, and then boom, you're gonna have it. You're gonna have it and you're gonna enjoy it. So yeah, so we're just gonna go and compute everything. So at the end of this, I'm just gonna go and compute how much all in all. So for the Tarte, the retail price is again $36 plus the no problem primer, which is $23, plus the Dominic Cosmetics $17. Oops. $17 plus the Saint Tropez. I assume, yeah, no, that's the second expensive product in here. So Saint Tropez Self Tan, which I'm gonna give away, or I might just re-gift it or whatever. So $24.50 plus Dirty Little Secret, the lip liner, which is $15. Oh, $15. So all in all, retail price is $115.5, $115.05. See guys, I just made $21, and I got like $115, $115.5 all in all. See, it's all worth it, I told you. If you want to see how I've created this look using those products that I've received in this box, just continue and keep on watching. BoxyCharm unboxing for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed every minute of your time with me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and continue to subscribe into my channel. Click that bell button to get notified on my next videos. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah!